So let's say we have an example and we are asked to determine the earthwork maybe for a road which is in hilly area, and we are asked that the length of the road that is just 100 feet. Okay, very simple. As you can see, the section is just the same. Okay, this is in filling. You can see that red shaded. Okay, so what we have to do is just to determine this red area, and then we will just multiply this with the length of the road. Okay, the same way like this. So if we have length, very simple. Okay, and let me just draw the same diagram from the given data. Okay, let's say we have the formation weight and then the side slope, and there is actually 32 feet is the formation level, sorry, weight, and its half can be actually 16 feet. And as you can see, the depth at middle portion, which is actually, you can say the mean depth, that's 1.85. Okay, the side slope that is known 2:1, and actually the cross slope or maybe the slope of the mountain or hill that is 10:1. Okay, so we will give some solution to the same thing. As you can see, the volume of earthwork, let me just remove the extra work so we can see that. Just removing these previous work. So the quantity of earthwork can be area and filling, and we will just multiply that area with the length then, or you can say with 100 feet. Okay, so as you can see, we have area and filling, and for that, to make sure if this is completely in filling or if there is any cutting. Okay, so we have to make sure this thing first. And how we can make sure it? For this approach, we will be just determining this, you can say element or maybe this portion. Okay, and this is just a distance which is known by RD. So what you have to put over there is actually R, which is 10, and D, that is known 1.85, and that's actually 18.5. Now, as you can see, this video, which is 18.5, this is actually more than the half width. Okay, it means that this section is going to be only in filling. There is no cutting in the same section, because RD is just more than half of the weight or maybe half of the formation weight. Okay, very simple. So it means we will be just determining the what? RDA is as you can see, it is just the distance from half weight. As you can see, this is the middle portion. Okay, it is just the distance from half weight till the mountain or maybe till the cross slope. So we will be just determining the same area, and for the same area, which is in filling, we will use this formula. Okay, which is, you can say, another form of the previous. So putting some values over here, maybe for B, which is 16, and then RD, R it's 10, D is 1.85, and there is actually whole square. And we will divide this by 2 times R, which is 10, minus S, which is 2. And let's subtract RD, which is just calculated, okay? And that is actually 10 times 1.85, or maybe you can put 18.5 over there, no problem. Minus B, which is 16 whole square, and 2 into R plus S this time. Just calculate the area, which is 74.13 square feet. Okay, now we have to multiply this video with the length, and the length is known, which is 100. Okay, you can see that. So you have to put that video over here. That's gonna give me the earthwork, which is a huge video, 7,413 CFT or cubic feet. Okay, by CFT I mean just cubic feet. So this is how we can calculate the earthwork if we have conditions such as fully in filling. Okay, next, let's just look into the same thing. Okay, we will follow the same process just for an irrigation channel. Okay,